How to check your playtime on PS app. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. So starting off, all you have to do is open up your PS app and sign in to your PlayStation Network account. Select on your profile picture in the top right corner. Under your profile picture, you will see a section called Games. Within Games, you will find information about your three most recently played games, including the last time you played them and their playtime, displayed in hours. If you want to check out the full playtime, you will have to get yourself your very own PlayStation console. If you have your own PlayStation console, all you have to do is visit your profile on your PS5 and select the option of Games. This will display a list of all your games with their corresponding playtime. What you cannot do is the PS app can show you the playtime for your three most recently played games, but however, it will not let you know all the time you have spent on the specific games. You can also try out the parental control, however, it will give you some of the restriction for certain age appropriate games. So, the best option for now is to get yourself a PlayStation console. If not, you have to check out within the game titles of the three most played. And that is pretty much it for the video as well. We hope that you found this informative to you.